Welcome back to another episode of Trutalks over Coffee Unfiltered. Today we're exploring axial flow versus centrifugal flow. And with us as always is our technical head, Bhavya Sakhani. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's break it down. What is the major difference between axial flow fans and centrifugal fans?
So axial flow fans are those which move the air along the axis of the fan. These make it very suitable for low pressure situations where a high movement of air is required. On the other hand, centrifugal fans run the air or move the air perpendicular to the fan's axis, that is at 90 degrees. This makes it suitable for compact spaces where there is a very high pressure application such as panel AC.
Which product lies in which category?
Axial flow fan categories are the compact cooling fans, large axial fans, as well as the shaded pole motor. On the other hand, centrifugal category has backward curve fans as well as the DC blowers.
What more should we know about these products?
So all of these products are further bifurcated into AC, DC and EC categories. For example, our Trumaxx axial fan are now available in all three categories.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest innovations.